Paulo mama, Paulo mama, Paulo Sara mama, Paulo Sara mama, Paulo Sara mama, Paulo mama, making the raptor ever pay. And I can't feel it, you're getting my Paulo. And you are on top of my mouth. Oh, my mouth is all you have. My mouth, Sara, my mouth. Paulo, my mouth, Sara, my mouth. I say, my mouth, that's your name. You don't get 51 million nila monyo. Pinalabon nyo sa Davao, mga bahong tik-tik ang abon. Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw. Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw. Anak kayo ni King Kong. Yo. Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw. Anak kayo ni King Kong. Yo, mga sakit, mga mamaw, mga sakit, yo, mamaw. Yo. All I heard is anywhere I go. In social media and in Facebook. Now it's spreading all over town. Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw, Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw, Paulo, mamaw, pati tatay yung matigig ko. Mahalin mo kayo ng buong mundo. Paulo, mamaw, Sara, mamaw, Kingdom, mamaw. Mga halimaw kayo, no? Tinira nyo ang bayan, doon kayo humingi ng grasya. Mahal, hindi nyo mahal ang Pilipino, mahal nyo intik. Doon yung sikat sila, ang tatay nyo. You are a one-time mother baka. Ang China, Mother Earth baka. Yo, break it down.